Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to offer you trade finance solutions in very brief format. Sheikh Hand Consultants, on behalf of our principals and International Trade Finance Company, offer you a cross-border trade finance solutions. By monetizing your international account receivables, you can count on immediate access to capital to grow your business. If you are an exporter, we have offer for you to finance your required working capital against your export order, against your export receivables, LC. If you are an exporter and you are exporting to these countries like USA, like Europe, like GCC, like Australia, if you are an exporter, you are exporting to these countries, we have this package for you, this working capital trade finance facility for you. Once your account is set up with our principles, like your basic documents, your profile, your trade history, when it is done and you are given that your account has been done with our principles, and once it is done, so you can get your required amount of working capital finance against your international trade receivables within 2 days, and up to 85% of your invoice value. Up to 85% of your invoice value within 2 days you will be getting. It is a non-recourse and off-balance sheet financing. And one more thing, no collateral required from exporter. No collateral required from exporters. So you can get advance up to 85% of the invoice value. And of course, you are an exporter from any country. From any country you are an exporter. One more thing, from any country you are an exporter, but to these 4 areas, the locations which I'm repeating, USA, all Europe, Australia and the GCC. So you can avail this opportunity by financing your working capital requirement through our principles. Good offer. So if you have any queries, you want to discuss further, contact us. We are available.